Hey guys, welcome to math class. Today you're going to be learning about the length of time for 3 shows at the circus. You'll notice that there's a number line at the bottom, and that's what you're going to use to help you to solve these. If we start with clowns, that show is from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. So if you're using a number line, the best thing to do is to check to see what your start time is going to be. So because it starts at 12 o'clock, you're going to start at 12 on your number line. Because it ends at 1 o'clock, you're going to end at 1 o'clock on your number line. So starting at your begin time, which is 12, you're going to jump to 1 o'clock. From 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock is 1 hour. Okay, so you're going to use the number line to help you with these questions in the form that is in the classroom.